Ulampang kay Darbar Tauan Kajala Meghalaya u Thomas Sangwa ulapentep balabatha ya u contractor ba untre baro shisngi ban pentikna ba kaying Darbar thamai kandap no hapo ubnai jiliu ne naitung shwa ka Darbar banwan kabalabu ha unai nailar katukani kitiar ki ba don kam na kabinta banchna lapenkit sha kajala ban penne ya kajing sted jong kajing treng usang ma ulapan pau shushu bakaway ka company ka wadan ha US ka ba uju tray menshwaya ka kam hapo jong ka ying Darbar jong ka India kadai ka ba pet ya ki kam hapo jong ka ying Darbar bathmai jong ka ying Darbar Thawan lamang pisa ka ba lai phoklur tingka kerpang nakabenta ka hall ba jong ka te ka complex
Go down. Good. The bus journey, it was the Urban Affairs Department program of the Urban Department, but we decided that Honorable Chief Minister suggested that we have a bus tour of the new Shillong City Township and the new Shillong, the new Secretariat, which is, the progress is very good. So we went to visit there and ultimately come here and show the honorable members around the progress of the work here in the assembly also.
So sir, are you satisfied with the progress of the work in this assembly, sir?
Yes, so far the progress is quite good, I would say. But we have a very hard timeline. We have to finish by June or July at the most, because we are going to have the session. Next session is due in August, so we want to finish it before that.
So do you think that is it possible that with so much work remaining, is it possible to hold August?
We have asked the contractors to do the work, in 3 shifts, which means round the clock.
So we have also told certain areas here.
I'm sorry?
The external part of the buildings, has it been handed over to the PWD?
Yes, it is already been handed over, and the interior works are going on. As we speak now, we all know the interior parts consist of those claddings and paddings and all. So those materials are being manufactured outside our state, and they are being, as we speak, they are already on the way, and we expect those materials to reach by next week or next month.
So this is a separate contractor for the interior.